How to book a hotel on Agoda without credit card. Hey everyone, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will guide you that how can you book a hotel on Agoda without using your credit card. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open any browser on your system. Alright, after you open the browser, in the search field you'll have to search for agoda.com. Alright, after you come on this official site of Agoda, you'll got such interface. So from here, at the top, you'll have to search for a place whether you are looking for. And after you search for the location and your date range, you'll have to click on search. Alright, as you can see, after you search, you'll be find a lot of multiple hotel that you can book from Agoda. So from here, at the left hand side, you'll have to scroll down and find the options like without credit card. So it will appear at the sections like payment method, and after you come on the option payment option, you'll have to check for the options like book without credit card. So simply check for this. Alright, after you check for this, you can find a lot of hotel that will offer you like book without a credit cards. So simply select one from here. Alright, after you open it, you'll have to scroll down here and you can as usual see the reviews of this hotel. So from here you'll have to just see these facilities, your highlights, and on the section like you select your room, you'll have to just select your room from here. And after you view all of the details, you'll have to scroll down at the bottom, and from here you can select as usual your preference. So from here, as you can also go the option first one, and on the second one, free cancellation before on June 11, you'll have to just select this one from here. As you can see here, you can see that book without credit card. So simply select this from here, and after you select it, click on book now. Alright, as you can see, after you click on that, here you can see the no credit card needed to book. So you have to just scroll down a little bit, and from the section special request, you can confirm it like which type of room would you prefer, like non-smoking, smoking, or like you want a large bed or like twin bed. So simply from here you can do a special request, or you can also add some additional preference. So after you do all of your preferences from here, you'll have to scroll down and click on the option book now from here, and after you click on that option, your booking will be placed from the Agoda without using your credit cards. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.